Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy cryptocurrencies using Trust Wallet. It's a straightforward process that lets you acquire digital assets directly within the application. You can use a variety of payment methods, such as credit or debit cards, and even bank transfers, making it accessible for many. Trust Wallet supports over 100 local fiat currencies, allowing you to purchase crypto in your native currency. Plus, you can compare rates from several trusted providers to ensure you get a good deal. To begin your purchase, simply open your Trust Wallet and tap the Buy button, usually found on the home screen. Next, you'll select the cryptocurrency you want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and specify its blockchain network. Then, input the amount you wish to spend and choose your payment method from the available options. Carefully review all the transaction details, including any fees, before confirming to finalize your crypto acquisition. Beyond direct purchases, Trust Wallet offers a convenient swap feature for exchanging cryptocurrencies. This allows you to trade one digital asset for another, whether they are on the same blockchain network or even across different ones. Trust Wallet simplifies cross-chain swaps, removing the need for complicated bridging methods. Before you finalize any swap, always take a moment to review the exchange rates and any associated network or provider fees to ensure it meets your expectations. After initiating your purchase or swap, you will follow the final instructions provided by the payment processor. Once the transaction is successfully completed, your newly acquired cryptocurrency will promptly appear in your Trust Wallet. Remember, Trust Wallet is a self-custody solution, meaning you have full control over your private keys and assets. For optimal security and access to the newest features, always ensure your Trust Wallet application is updated to its latest version.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.